Nancy's gonna do a challenge.
She's gonna do a challenge. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Hurry up and just put it in your mouth. I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna do it this time. Ready? So there's this much in there. Hey, turn the camera to me. I'm gonna say something. Nancy did not do it good.
Ew, it tastes bad. Ew, it tastes.
Okay, now I challenge you to. No, not that.
Ew. Wait. Stop, funny.
Okay, do I
First thing, there's a big mess
do
in
a
there.
spoon of sugar and put it in your mouth?
That's not a challenge at all. Don't spit it on my camera. That was awkward.
Oh, great.
No.
Here, use this. It will feel better.